Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Panthersville local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles from the takeoff to the destination, notwithstanding whether it's within the same state. We relocate belongings intrastate, locally, and interstate at 3 movers. The federal and local officials in charge of the relocation procedure are familiar with us. Because we care about our clients and their investments, we have put insurance coverage in place. These plans address hazards during and after relocating. Our team of movers and drivers is the most honest, and your items will reach you in the same condition as before the relocation. You have nothing to worry about. Our rates are very reasonable and affordable. Local relocations are typically less expensive than long-distance relocation, and you can rest assured that ours will be no exception. Our rates are reasonable and cheap, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. We'll provide you with good value for your money if you hire our licensed and attentive local movers. We're used to working in congested regions and will get your belongings into your new location as swiftly as feasible. Our professional team of local movers will assist you in making the best selections possible when it comes to moving plans. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Panthersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.